I've been running in here for about 5 minutes now. I don't know why I'm filming this, but I don't know where I am. Oh. Hey.
Whoa, buddy.
Hey, don't be scared, don't be scared, don't be scared. My name's Brian.
Sheila.
Do you have any idea? Oh, I was about to ask you the same thing. Because I woke up over there somewhere. So.
Well, what do we do now?
I don't know. I woke up and I found this camera laying against a rock.
Wait, you found the camera?
Yeah.
That's not creepy.
You have any idea where this place might be?
I don't know where we are.
Alright, well, there's a path. So I take it I think we should just follow it, maybe see where it goes then.
Joy, let's go.
What? What is it?
I am not messing with that. I'm out of here.
Is that a bone?
I'm not messing with that.
Hey, we found a water bottle.
Why
Here,
are you
hold this.
Why are you touching that? I'm not touching that.
We may need it. Maybe it's got water in it.
That was right next to bones. Brian, why are you filming this?
In case the police, catch this video, we might have a chance of showing what's happened here.
So it's not sketchy that you just found this on a rock?
It may be, but this is our only evidence so far, and the water bottle. What? What? Oh! Hey! Hey! Wake up! Wake up!
You're not Jessica Alba.
Sorry to wake you up from your pleasant dream, but in case you haven't noticed, we're lost in the woods.
Yeah, we kind of don't know where we are. Do you guys have any idea where this place is?
I assume someplace with the forest.
Thank you for the advice. Come on.
What do we do now?
Listen, my name's Brian.
Hello, Brian. I'm Kirby. I don't know who this chick is.
Zoe.
Zoe. Alright, nice to meet you. This is Cheryl, was it?
Sheila.
Sheila. My bad. Alright. So what do we do? Oh.
Smooth.
Good job, smart one.
Camera broken?
That's what you're worried about?
A little bit, yeah.
It's just a camera.
What was that?
I don't know. Hey, you have a cell phone?
Who are you?
My name is Brian. This is
Sheila.
Sheila, Zoe, and
Kirby.
so what is your name?
Ray?
Ray. Where'd you get the cell phone?
I don't know. I just woke up with it.
That's weird. I found the camera the same way.
It looks like I have a towel.
Well, what do you have?
I got some batteries.
That's right. We found a water bottle over there.
It was next to some bones.
Ew. Human bones?
We don't know.
And I don't want to know.
It looked.
Phone won't get reception.
Then what's the point of having it?
Did
Where
you?
are we?
We were just about to ask you the same question.
We need to get out of here.
Great, glad we're on the same page. Can we go?
What?
Whatever. How long have you guys been here?
I don't know. I woke up about maybe 10 minutes ago.
We don't even know what day it is.
Check your cell phone.
Yeah.
You should have the time of day.
Well, it's dead.
Well, that's useful.
Fantastic. Can we just go, please?
Well, all right. I suggest we just follow the trail because I want to get out of here. So
There's a trail.
yeah, there's a sandy trail that me and her have been
No,
following.
Mr. Know-it-all.
All right, come on.
We should go that way.
Why? The trail leads that way.
Because there's more covering that way.
Well, why do you need covering though? The trail is going that way.
Because I feel like somebody's watching.
Okay, well, you know what, Gray? You can go over into the dark woods that way, and we go over to the trail this way, okay? Whatever, it's fine. Come on, Brian.
Go. No, you're fine.
Where's that Kirby kid?
I don't know. Who's Kirby?
Oh.
Whatever.
What are we gonna do now?
We need to find a trail or an exit. Go climb the tree.
I'm not climbing a tree.
If you want to get out of here, you have to do something. So climb the tree.
Women nowadays do everything for themselves.
What do you see?
Trees?
Wow.
I don't see a path.
We'll get down here and we'll continue looking.
Wait, there's one over there.
Really? What direction?
That way?
Get down here and let's go.
Do you have any idea where we are?
Brian, you're the one that told me to follow the trail.
Well, that was a good idea until the trail ended, and now I don't know where we are.
Well, this is really gonna help it. Oh my god.
Something happened.
What happened?
I don't know. Zoe's gone.
What is
Where did she go?
I don't know. Any weapon? There was somebody following us.
What is this gonna do?
It can make some damage.
What happened to Zoe?
Well, what happened to Zoe? Where'd she go?
Gone.
What? Whoa, whoa! Get her, get her! Hey! Ah! Dang it!
God, are you okay?
Is she alright?
What do we
What the
do?
heck was that? Was she dead?
So she's dead. Zoe is dead. What do we do?
I don't know. Was that a car horn?
Oh
No, it came from this way. It came from this way. Come on. Come on. Oh. I see a street. I see a street. Oh crap. Here, here.
Oh my God.
Take this. Go to the street. Come on. I'll meet you guys in a minute.
Get out.
Go.
We're safe.
Oh my god. Oh my god, we're... Come on, Brian, come on. What happened? Look where we are.
I don't know what happened.
We're out, look.
I lost him though.
Can we go?
What do we do now?
There's a couple houses. Let's go ask them for a phone or something.
Alright, we need to go find a phone.
Come on. Well, what do you have?
I got some batteries in mine.
I don't know what she's looking.
On three, just drop her.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
I hate you people.
It was the other way.
Oh well.
Redo. So what do you suppose we do now?
I guess I see someone I get in bed.